Hi, Jay here with a quick DP20 tech tip. I'm going to show you how to go through and install and remove the chuck from the drill press. The chuck will arrive in a box and it will come with a separate arbor. The arbor has a long taper, that's a number 2 taper, that goes into the drill press quill, and it has a short taper that goes into the bottom of the chuck itself. Before installing the arbor or installing the chuck into the drill press, go through and spin the chuck body to retract the jaws so that the jaws are inside the chuck body itself, and that way you won't strike or damage those. In order to insert the arbor into the chuck, simply slide it into the chuck, give it a few strikes with a dead blow hammer, and that will seat the taper into the chuck body. Now to install this in the drill press, we'll slide it up into the quill and make sure that the quill is in the upright position all the way at the top of the stroke. Rotate it to where it goes in a little bit further, and now you'll give it a couple of quick strikes with a dead blow hammer, or you can use a regular hammer. If you choose to use a regular ball peen hammer, put a block of wood right under the chuck and then strike it directly underneath the chuck to seat it firmly up into the drill press. Now to remove the chuck, you'll simply lower the quill until you can see the slot at the edge of the quill itself, and then there's a small lock handle on the side to keep this in the down position. The drill press is supplied with a drift pin, and you'll insert this with the taper right against the top of the quill, and then put your hand underneath the chuck or hold on to the chuck. A few strikes will dislodge the chuck out of the drill press, and you can reinsert it the same way we just did. If you need any more tech tips on the DP20 drill press, look at our website at lagunatools.com.